Stop playing, bro. Stop playing, bro. Javon.
It's your girl Shy Money in the building.
It's your boy Rich Jefferson in the building. We are back with another video for you wonderful people. Before we start this video, man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. Do all that good stuff. Share, browse on your phone, laptop, iPod, Nokia 2002, Nokia flip phone, BlackBerry, Razor phone, all that. You know what I'm saying? Apple Watch. You know what I'm saying? Go do all that, man. Go subscribe to on all pages, man. If y'all want to try to subscribe to the channel, we got nothing but bangers coming, man. Y'all see by the title, y'all see by the thumbnail, this is gonna be a banger video, man. Cause I'm ready to smack stuff, smack. Mac. Alright, you can go over now.
Okay, guys, we're going to be doing the, what is it called? Slap or Facts Challenge, guys. I'm very excited about this video because I smack Javon all the time, so I got an excuse to keep smacking him.
Guys, look at the size of my hand right now. I know you guys can see what look, bro. From right here to right here. Bro, come on, my finger cover your whole face, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You want to do this video, bro?
Let's do it. I ain't scared.
Oh, get them a run through what this video is.
Okay, so guys, so basically the Slap or Facts Challenge is we're going to be reading each other like 5 questions, however many questions you want to do, and then the person has like 5 seconds to guess the answer right. Should already know the answer to the question, so ain't even gotta think about it too much. So they got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I heard you, brother. 5
seconds to answer that question. If they don't answer by the time 1 comes up, get smacked.
You can ask any questions you want in the book, old or young. It doesn't matter what question.
Yep. If they get it right, you don't get a smack. But if they get it wrong, still, by that 1 second, they still get the answer.
If you say 6 seconds after the 5 seconds, still don't count.
I'm very excited. I'm about to put my hair wrap on because I'm not getting my hair messed up, y'all. I just got my hair fixed.
But guys, without further ado, man, we finna jump in this video, man. Yeah, right, from Let's start over.
Bet 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3. All right,
ready?
Go on. I thought you were gonna switch it up. Alright, go on. No. I'll pick mine.
Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, shoot.
No.
I said 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot.
You see your hand was like you. Your hand stayed down.
Yes, it's right.
No.
Okay, come on, we're gonna redo it. Come on. Boom. Boom.
So I go first, right?
I go first.
No, I go first.
I won best 2 out of 3.
Yeah, you won, so that means I lose, so I go first.
No,
I go first. You won, so...
Who go first?
Me.
No. Me. I go first.
Oh my God.
Now, question number 1, guys. I wrote mine down.
Let me get the timer ready, cause.
Are you ready? My first question is, what hospital was I born in?
You ain't even tell me that crap.
Yes, I did.
No, you ain't even. You used to hospital. Remember Herman?
668.
No, bro, you ain't never tell me that crap, bro.
668.
You ain't never tell me that crap, bro.
Yes, I did.
When?
Texas Children.
Texas Children?
Yes.
When you tell me that?
Babe, I been told you.
What? When?
I told you a long time ago.
You lied, bro. You ain't never tell me that shit, bro. You lying, bro.
I told you.
Alright, it's cool. Texas Children.
Are you ready? Y'all, I'm good with this right hand, boy. You ready?
I'm ready, bro.
Number 2.
Bro, how many more you gonna put, bro? That's a lie.
Ready?
You worried about it here?
1, 2. He gonna move.
Right,
Don't move. 1, 2, 3. What's your question?
Hold on, my question, no, bro. Hold on.
Come on.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Where in Jamaica?
No.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh
I
my
told you
God.
this too.
No, you didn't.
You didn't even hear the question yet.
Come on.
Where in Jamaica did I grow up?
Kingston, Jamaica. I'm a
Kingston, the whole thing.
Kingston,
You see,
Jamaica.
that's the thing with y'all people who from here, bro. Y'all, the first thing that comes to your mind is Kingston, Jamaica.
That's where you was born.
Grew up.
You grew up in Kingston, Jamaica.
Kingston is a big area, bro.
You never told me.
Why you mean? I did.
Okay, what's the answer?
I grew up in St. Angel, Kingston 20, Patrick City.
I'm confused. I'm confused right now, G.
You didn't tell me that.
Wait.
Bang! You didn't-
Come on, man.
I thought that was the school.
What?
Babe, no.
Hey, come on, man.
Ooh.
Come on, man.
Don't smack me hard. I'm not playing with you. I'll punch you in your...
Come on, man.
Babe, that's too much. Wait, come on here.
Turn that up, ready? Come on, man. What you mean? Come on, man. Let's go. Come on, man.
Okay,
Man.
It's on.
Come on, man. What you
It's
mean?
on. Come on. Babe, where is that? Oh my gosh.
Come
It
on,
better not
man.
be on my hair.
Come on, man.
Babe, it's on my hair?
Maybe.
Okay, you know what? Okay.
Next question. Oh, guys, we're gonna ask 5 questions each.
Who is my favorite celebrities?
Wait, elaborate. Which one? Actor, singer?
Celebrities. Celebrity.
Shit.
Oh, time up.
Cardi B.
Time up.
What's the answer?
Hmm?
What's the answer?
Beyonce.
Damn. You ain't even this.
Yes, I did.
You ain't even listen to Beyonce.
Babe, everybody
No.
listen to Beyonce.
You ain't even listen to Beyonce around. What
Yes,
you mean?
I have. What? Yes, I
Bro,
have.
you listen to Cardi B, that white chick.
What white chick?
I don't remember her name, but that other white chick. Whatever, bro.
Babe, Beyonce is my favorite celebrity.
Oh, no, Beyonce, your favorite celebrity.
Beyonce been my favorite. Babe,
Alright,
ask
bro,
anybody.
come on, bro.
Ask anybody.
Come on,
Ask anybody.
Come on, bro.
Come on.
Come on, bro.
Since you want to play, ready, set.
Damn!
Damn.
Mm-hmm.
Right away, my mama, bro.
Yep. Taste that. Taste that.
Damn.
Taste that. Taste that.
What's my next question?
Okay, come on. Next question.
What's the next question? What's my dad's nigga name? Time Warner.
You ain't never told me. Boy.
What?
I don't know. Babe, no.
You said
Everton.
It been 12 seconds.
cheated.
It been 12 seconds,
Babe,
bro.
it's Everton.
She said a horse.
No, it's Everton.
Man, come
Babe, it's Everton.
Man, come on, man.
Babe, no.
Yo, set the link, man.
It's Everton.
Turn stuff in me now. Turn stuff in me, man.
I'ma kick your ass. It's Everton, ain't it?
It is, but you said 12 seconds later.
Babe, no. Cause you was laughing, so you made me laugh, so I couldn't say what I wanted to say.
And you been lost. It been hit 5 seconds anyway. What you mean? Come
Okay,
on.
that's all right.
That's the next question, man.
Okay, hold up. Okay, you ready? Okay. What part of my body I do not like?
Shit.
Come on.
Your breast.
4.
Your breast.
Up. Time.
Your breast. What is it then?
No. Yo, that's private. Babe, you know what part of my body I do not like?
Your nose, your eyes, what? Your ankle? I don't know.
Babe, the hair is on my chest.
Oh shit, yeah.
I always shave this shit off. Yup.
I said breast, that's close to it though.
No,
it's in between your shit though.
This is a chest.
That's close to it.
This is a chest.
Your breast is a part of your chest.
No, I said what part of my body I do not like? The hair that's on my
It's the
body.
in between your breast, that
It's not on my breast.
It's the in between your breast.
But it's not on my
Why,
breast.
bro? Come on, bro. Come on,
Come
bro.
on.
Bro. This all you want to play, alright, bro. Come on.
No, what you mean?
I was talking, bro. Bro, I'm looking.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta think of a question. Hold on, bro. Bro, look at my phone, bro.
What's wrong with you?
Next question.
Okay, what's your next question?
How many
No, you better not say brothers and sisters. I don't know.
letters are in my names?
8.
Shit.
Ah!
You missed it by an inch,
Yes!
bro. Damn.
Yeah. Boom.
Hey, I was ready to.
Mm.
Come on, next question.
All right, my next question is, what's my favorite restaurant and what do I always get?
Lotus. Chinese. Louisiana rice and shrimp. That's right.
What'd you say?
Louisiana rice, shrimp fried rice, with the crawfish and shrimp. That's
Okay.
right. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Let's go. bro.
Yeah, look at all that powder wasting up here. All right. You got that. Now I need another question. I only have 4 questions on here.
Okay, ready?
Mhm.
Listen to the full question.
Okay.
When did I first come to America? Give me the month and the date.
You did not tell me the month, babe. 2012. September 6th.
Fail.
What was it?
Fail. 2012 August. August.
Babe, you
12.
never told me August.
Yes, I did.
No, you
yes,
did not.
I did.
No, you did
Wait,
not.
what do you mean? What do you mean? I never told
Babe,
you?
you only told me the year.
I told you August.
No, you did not tell me August. Babe,
Me tell you August.
you never.
Turn on. Turn on.
Oh.
Let's go!
Shit, that was hard. All right, I got one for you.
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, come on. What is my mother's middle name?
Latrice.
Okay.
I got it.
Yeah. He killed my nerves.
Let's go. I'm at question, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to make sure. Hold on, give me 1 second and I think about that one, yeah. All ready?
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Too fun. Look at my
Come on, ready?
face.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
How many high school did I went to?
10, 5, 4, 4.
Bag. You say 10? I went to 3 high school, bro.
Really?
3, bro.
How you went to 3 high schools?
I went to 1 in Jamaica and 2 in America, bro. Come on,
No,
bro.
what's the 2 in Jamaica? I mean in America.
The one in Houston, 1 in Baltimore.
No, babe. No, I thought that was middle school.
Bro, I'm in high school. Leave me alone.
No.
Motherfucker, turn your next face up.
Babe, stop. That's enough, damn it, shit.
Turn up.
Babe, you better smack me
Turn up
out.
here. No. Let me give me a chance. Turn your face.
No.
Turn your face.
Babe, do not smack me hard. I'm not playing with you.
Motherfucker, I'm gonna give you 2 boats.
Babe, don't. No, I'm not playing
Stop
with you.
playing, bro. Stop playing, bro. You getting both these motherfuckers, bro.
Babe, don't smack me hard. I'm not playing with you. I will smack the shit out of you.
Turn your face. Well,
Babe.
yo, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yo,
Yes.
move your hand.
Babe, do not smack
Move your
me.
hand. Move your hand. Move your hand. Yo, come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on, you wasting time, bro.
Babe, stop. Do no, that's cheating. We did not say 2 hands.
Put your shit down on.
No.
Yo, you wasting time, bro. Come on, bro.
We did not say 2 hands. Javon, you cheated.
You not right, but did say 2 hands? We didn't say no.
Babe, don't smack me hard. I'm not playing with you.
I'm not gonna smack you hard.
You lying.
Babe, you wasting time, man.
Okay.
Time is going, bro.
You gonna smack me both sides?
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna smack you.
No.
Come here. Come here.
Do not smack me. I swear they gonna see me beat your ass on this camera.
Come here. You make this video longer than what it is, bro. Stop!
Babe, don't smack me hard.
Man, smack your ass up. Come.
Hey! Okay. Don't smack me hard, Jamon. You doing both. That's gonna hurt.
Bring your face over here so I stop chat. Yes, you don't make a smack your there chat. Shut up and bring your face over here, man. Bombard. Come closer.
What you say?
Come closer.
Okay. Stop!
Jesus Christ.
You scare me.
Come closer, bro.
Okay.
Babe,
Babe.
I'm
Okay.
Woo! Yay! Sit your ass down. What you doing? Chill. No, they done. They done. We win. You got smacked.
I won.
Look at your face, bro. Hey, yo. Chill, bro.
I'm done.
Alright, guys, man, that's the end of the video, man. If you guys like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to see a round 2 of this, man, comment down below. You know what I'm saying?
No. Don't comment nothing.
If y'all want a round 2, we're going to change it up. Let me know what I'm going to use next. We might do something like a lotion or something else, you know what I'm saying?
You
You
annoying.
got something else you want to say? White bird.
I'm about to kick his ass after this video.
White bird.
Love you. Peace.
Peace. Oh, shit. Oh.